You're listening to the Cyberwire Network, powered by N2K.
And now, a word from our sponsor, Zscaler, the leader in cloud security. Cyber attackers are using AI in creative ways to compromise users and breach organizations. In a security landscape where you must fight AI with AI, the best AI protection comes from having the best data. Zscaler has extended its zero-trust architecture with powerful AI engines that are trained and tuned by 500 trillion daily signals. Learn more about Zscaler Zero Trust Plus AI to prevent ransomware and AI attacks. Experience your world secured. Visit zscaler.com/zerotrustai.
The word is taint analysis. Spelled T as in tarnish, A as in adulterate, I as in infect, N as in nasty, T as in trace, and analysis for study. Definition: the process of software engineers checking for the flow of user input in application code to determine if unanticipated input can affect program execution in malicious ways. Example sentence: taint analysis is a useful technique for a security audit for an application's attack surface. Origin and context: all user input can be dangerous if it's not properly checked. Think buffer overflows and SQL injection. Taint analysis, a static source code review technique, identifies all user data elements and follows them through the application to make sure they get sanitized before the programmer does anything with them. On the hacker side, with a technique called fuzzing, researchers throw random input at applications to see if they can get them to crash. If they can, that input mechanism and the functions that support it are places the hacker can focus to find vulnerabilities for future exploitation. Taint analysis helps reduce the probability that fuzzing will work and hacking techniques like buffer overflow and SQL injection are neutralized. Nerd reference: according to David Kalat at law.com, Elias Levy, co-founder of the company Security Focus, published the famous paper Smashing the Stack for Fun and Profit in 1996 under his hacker name Aleph1. The paper was a recipe for how to create buffer overflow situations in code. The United States Air Force had identified the potential for buffer overflow attacks as far back as 1972, but it wasn't until Smashing the Stack came out that the hacker community adopted the buffer overflow technique as a standard tool in their utility belt.
And now, a word from our sponsor, SpyCloud, the leader in operationalizing cybercrime analytics. Traditional threat intelligence is a thing of the past. Cyber criminals are stealing vast amounts of credentials, session cookies, and financial data every day, and it's hard to keep up. SpyCloud is the trusted partner businesses turn to fully understand their darknet exposure risk and neutralize threats before it's too late. SpyCloud alerts your organization as soon as an employee or customer's data appears on the dark net, so you can act faster than bad actors to prevent cyber attacks like ransomware, session hijacking, account takeover, and online fraud. With insights from the industry's largest repository of recaptured data, protect the digital identities and systems most important to your business. Get your free corporate darknet exposure report at spycloud.com/cyberwire and see what information criminals have in their hands today. That's spycloud.com/cyberwire.